Hi, so today we have a 46-year-old male patient and he comes from a sun-rising country of Japan. A few years ago, this patient had done a hair restoration procedure in Japan. The patient wanted to enhance further the result of his hair transplant with us at GLOJAS to lower down the hairline and also to increase the density at the crown area. The total number of grafts was done for him is at 3,500 grafts. Today is his one-day post-procedure of Smart FUE at GLOJAS.
Yeah, I feel very happy. I have experienced same surgery in Japan and compare very comfortable for this hospital. And many doctor and nurse take care for me, so I feel very relaxed during the surgery. Thank you, GLOJAS.